What is that, Liam?
That's Gavin's toothbrush.
It's Gavin's toothbrush. Are you gonna tell him to no. Are you gonna tell Gavin to brush his teeth?
Yes.
Okay. Give it to Gavin.
So Gavin.
Say, Gavin, brush your teeth.
Gavin, brush your teeth.
I think he likes the other toothbrush better. He likes the blue. He doesn't like the pink, because pink is girly.
No, the white.
That's not white, that's pink.
Pink.
Yeah. Thanks for taking care of your brother. Liam, how old is Gavin today?
The toothpaste.
Liam, how old is Gavin today? Liam, shh. How old is Gavin today?
Buffy.
How old is Gavin?
Buffy.
Gavin is
Buffy.
1 year old. 1.
Number one.
1.